Good morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Friday, January 2nd. The euro rose marginally against the US dollar and closed at 1.2101. Yesterday, the ECB Chief Draghi indicated that the central bank was in technical preparations to amend the size, speed and composition of its measures in early 2015, as the ECB was of the opinion that the risk of central bank not achieving its mandate of preserving price stability was higher now than half a year ago. In a noteworthy development, Lithuania became the 19th member to join the European currency bloc. In economic news, the number of Americans filing for first-time unemployment benefits rose to 298,000 in the week ended 27th of December, higher than market expectations of an advance to 287.00k. The pair is expected to find support at 1.2035, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.2011. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.2096, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.2133. Trading trends in the pair today are expected to be determined by the release of manufacturing PMI numbers from the Euro bloc and the US. The British pound rose marginally against the US dollar and closed at 1.5580. Yesterday, the UK Prime Minister David Cameron urged the nation to support the Conservatives in the next May's general election, as failing to do so could endanger the nation's healthy recovery and take the country backwards. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5536, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.5515. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5583, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5609. Trading trends in the pair today are expected to be determined by the release of UK manufacturing PMI data, slated for release later today. The US dollar strengthened 0.06% against the Japanese yen and closed at 119.83, amid mounting speculation that the Federal Reserve would raise interest rates this year. Yesterday, the Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe vowed to implement important structural reforms this year in a bid to kickstart the economic recovery in the nation. The pair is expected to find support at 119.85, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 119.36. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 120.65, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 120.95. Amid a thin holiday trading session in Japan, investors would focus on global news for trading trends in the pair. The Australian dollar strengthened 0.11% against the US dollar to close at 0.8177. Yesterday, data from China, Australia's largest trading partner, revealed that the NBS manufacturing PMI registered a drop to 50.10 in December, compared to market expectations of a fall to 50.00. In the previous month, the NBS manufacturing PMI had recorded a level of 50.30. The pair is expected to find support at 0.8108, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.8087. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.8169, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.8208. Investors await the release of RBA Commodity Index SDR from Australia, scheduled in a few minutes. Gold prices traded higher by 0.11% against the US dollar at 1185.40 per ounce, as the US dollar lost ground after data released on Wednesday indicated that initial jobless claims data from the US for last week came in above expectations, and the Chicago Purchasing Managers Index slumped to 58.3 in December from last month's level of 60.8. Holdings at the SPDR Gold Trust were unchanged yesterday at 709.02 metric tons, the lowest level since September 2008. The pair is expected to find support at 1183.00, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1180.20. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1188.40, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1191.00. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMates app right now and receive daily market predictions, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMates app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great trading day!